express 0.11 in the form of p by q. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just skip the decimal, write the number you are getting. So after skipping, we are getting the number 11. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. So 2 digit we have to write 210 as multiplication, of course. Now look, 11 over 10 times 10, 100. Now we need to reduce. How to do that? We need to divide numerator and denominator by a common number, which is called factor. Common factor, that is. So 11 is a prime number. It has just only two factor, 1 and 11. So the common factor between 11 and 100 is 1. And if you divide this 11 by 1, you will get 11. If you divide this 100 by 1, you will get 100. So you can say that this is the reduced or simplified fraction.